Hi. Good morning. Okay. So I'm going to have my coffee and then go out the door, so might as well talk to you while I have the time. Okay. Yesterday, which was Thursday, today's Friday, I was in a motor vehicle collision. And as you can see, I'm fine for the most part. I'm stiff, I'm sore, I have back pain, but relatively speaking, I am okay. I am headed to the doctor. Once I finish this coffee, I'm gonna call an Uber and then I'm gonna go. But so I've never been in an accident before, not here, not anywhere. And so it was kind of a jarring experience. But I'm gonna see if I can get a rental or something. But yeah, so I'm drinking my coffee and then I'm gonna call an Uber and go see a doctor. I did not have a doctor before now. I've been lackadaisical in establishing care and I'm going to have to go now. So apparently there's a doctor. I found a doctor that is accepting new patients and walk-ins, and so I'm going to go. It was too late for me to do it last night. I tried to find one out. Everything was closed by the time we finished with the accident or whatever, and I got home. It was close to 7 maybe, but everything was really closed. My only option would have been the hospital, and I don't think that I needed emergent care. So I really wasn't trying to spend a whole night at the hospital. So this morning I'm going to go and see a doctor. Oh yeah, that is this. Ooh. This is that of my weekend. Anyway, talk to you later. So I'm back. They've determined that most of my pain is muscular, and the recommendation is painkillers. Taking more breaks when I'm sitting down, not sitting down for such long extended periods, and back stretches. Well, my legs too, because muscles in there are sore too. But stretches, rest, and exercise. Stretches, rest, and painkillers. Stretches, rest, and painkillers. Well, it's a good thing it's a long weekend. So yeah. No, I'm just waiting to hear what the situation with the car is. So So on my way from the doctor, I picked up a few things at the Dollar Tree. All right, I got a box. So I picked up a few things from the Dollar Tree. All of what I'm about to show you is a little over $30, $33, something like that. $33.86. So I got some foil paper because I was out. I use file paper ad since I've been using the air fryer more often because, well, Coutinho. That's some gummies, some bowls for soup or cereal. I've been buying black or transparent, and I decided to go with black since I've got a black and white kitchen. Put them over here soft, and I'm gonna get washed. Bought a vase. I'm clearly not getting the long vase, so bought a vase, and I'm going to cut down the stems to this, maybe, so that I can get it in. But it's still bigger than the vase that I had. Very, very, not that much. But there's also another vase that I will also determine how that go. Some garbage bags, some travel something, because sometimes my job requires that I travel a little bit. Some stones, decorative stones for the vase. A little chocolate chip something. Glass. And that's a set. So 2 glass. Just one cute little something with the family for decor. Black glass. Black glass, so pair. Something to hold. Specifically, I got a couple of these. I got this small one because I have some cinnamon in this dish and I want my dish back. So I buy this so I can put in that in it and get back my dish, because these are very handy for bringing cereal to work, and then I can just pour my milk in there or bring in my fruits. So I want my dish back. That's it. The rest of this I just push on. So that's my little mini Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to I got food on the road, so I have dinner and stuff, and I haven't really been eating. The hell is that on my TV? I haven't really been eating properly, and so I'm gonna eat pure hot dog and salad. And so my stomach is rebelling, but I had something to eat. I'm just gonna lay down and rest because my back is, you know, it's really feeling funny and I don't like it. So I'm gonna chillax and talk to my peoples, and soon when I soon again.
Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there?
So finally, at the end of February, I took the tree down, took off the lights and whatever, and I'm going to drag out the box from the closet and find somewhere to put the box with the decorations that has been sitting here for more than a month. So, yeah. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. I'm hungry are killing me. I'm just gonna relax, lay down in the couch, get something to eat. And this is me going into the weekend. More than likely, I will add what I recorded last. Never mind. But, yeah. So, happy Friday. Peace. Alright, so I really thought I'd be able to get it back in the box. Clearly, that's not the case. That's not going down the sauce, so I don't know. I'm gonna try. But if I have no strong tape, I'm gonna say yeah, me I try tape it up really. Don't know, folks. I don't know. Alright, see, let me use up my little paper tape where I code. Me should have did save the green top. Then I come pan it. We hold the box together. I never did think about to save it, so I've wondered them here. If the tape them fail, that won't fail. It will at least keep it together. So yeah. Okay. I'm holding the camera upside down for this, but hey folks, happy family day. I'm sorry. So it's family day. And family day when you don't know with your family. I'm holding the camera upside down. It's more of the same. It's more of staying inside. More of the same. I don't know. On days like last year, it wasn't that bad. I had at least Sio with me. I had gone to Jamaica and come back with Sio, so me and Sio were together, but our family was still kind of fractured. And this year, it's just fractured in a different way, where I'm by myself and they're together. Sacrifice. if you saw my reel on Instagram, you saw me talking about how when I asked my husband what he learned in the years that we've been married, he said that he learned that sacrifices are necessary. And he's right. He's right. I'm constantly trying to remind myself that we have a bigger goal, but sometimes it feels like I just want to say F this shit. But God not making people them suffer. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill out, watch Criminal Minds for the rest of today. I'll go back and people them work tomorrow. I will see you guys later this week. Okay, so essentially, let me see if I can. Ooh, okay, there we go. So, pay no attention. This is a collagen mask. So based on everything that you have seen, you guys know I'm not driving right now. So it's been a week, and what's happened is they have, you know, evaluated the damage and things like that. And well, I expect so the shop that it's into is a couple of weeks behind, so it's expected to take a good little minute before I get her back. So until then, I'm just gonna be here chilling. But in addition to my, you know, just kind of hanging out at home for the next few weeks mostly, it's tax season. So I'm also going to be doing that. I've already started. I think I have a pretty good handle. What I'm doing right now is I'm waiting for my T4 from my other job that I used to work before this job. But I think I have the numbers, but I still want the T4 form and everything like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and file my tax return. I'm also gonna file for 2021, even though I was just in the country for like 30 days. I'm gonna file that as well. Just because I don't know if you guys had, you know, saw my video like a couple months back when I was talking about this, but one of the things that might impact citizenship, or, you know, is good for your citizenship, is if you file taxes even when you don't earn while you're in the country. So I want to make sure that all my years in the country are filed for. So that's where I am with that. This is not an ad, but I'm using the TurboTax app. I've been using the Mint app to budget for the last couple of months, and I really like it. It keeps track of my spending and things like that. So I've been using that, and so I thought my friend had mentioned the TurboTax app, which I had mentioned to you guys, and I used it to go through, and I like it. I feel a little bit confident about it, in addition to my reading and whatever. And so yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. The next thing is I'm gonna lie down in that room because I'm trying to go. But baby, this arm holding the camera, the arm. Okay, so in addition to taxes, I also have no idea what RSPs are, and I'm trying to learn what they are. I'm trying to learn about, you know, little things as I go along, and so that's kind of what I'm doing with this time that I'm at home. I'm going to dive more into, you know, learning how to maximize the benefits of what I earn, and how to maximize just the benefits of the tax system, and use it to the best of my ability. So that obviously takes time to learn to do, because y'all know I've been trying to get my head around the whole tax situation from when whatever. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. It sucks not to have a vehicle, and I'm not going back on the bus. Not going back on the bus. I'm sorry, I cannot do it in a -20 weather, and plus there is another whole situation. But anyway, so I'm Ubering, which is expensive as shit, but I'm unharmed. I am good, just a little bit of back pain. I've got an appointment for physio, and yeah, I'm alright. God is good. God is great, and it is what it is, y'all. That's where we're at in this journey. So I've had my first accident ever. Anyway, I hope you guys have a blessed week coming, and might wanna pray for me. I'm gonna take to prayer. If you have a good relationship with God and them, some of them I don't really want, you know. Let me not say that, but anyway, yeah. Have a good week, everyone. Peace. Hey guys, welcome to my Friday. It's my day off. As you can see, I'm wearing going to wash my mask off. So okay, here's the lowdown. I have footage from the week, but I've decided against sharing it the way that it's recorded. So this is me giving you the summarized version that I feel comfortable giving at this time. So last week I was in a collision, and so I don't have a car right now. My car is being repaired. I'm taking Ubers and I did a sit down where I explained what happened, but like I said, I've changed my mind about sharing that just because I talked about it in detail, and that was like the day after it happened, and I was like, I'm not gonna share that. But so the important thing for you to know is that A, I was in an accident, and B, I'm okay, and C, I'm not driving right now. I'm taking Uber. So luckily for me, so the collision happened on Thursday. I didn't go to work on Friday, but I did go to see a doctor. And Monday gone was family day. I went to work Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today was my day off. So it was a very short week this week, and it's a good thing because the temperatures are -20s, and it will be until Sunday. I'm working on something because this isn't really the Schweppes, and like I said, the car is going to take a few weeks to come back to me. So God is good, the devil is a liar, and I'm gonna wash off my face.